Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Everglobally International, and this is the trend which you have. So there are two or three most important things which one should understand before liquidating to the stock. So first of all, this is a long-term chart, but whenever you're looking any chart, there are some indications by looking at the chart if you know how to deal with that. So in this kind of chart, or specifically to this chart, it is very easy to calculate and predict the trend, first of all. Second, that if you don't understand the trend and take positions, you will be in a wrong foot at a very wrong time, and you will indeed lose lots and lots of money, because the trend is such that if you can know and ride the momentum, you will earn lots of money in a short amount of time. But if you are unable to understand the trend, obviously you are bound to lose money. So these are the things which one need to understand before looking into the trend. And as I've already told you, this is a long term trend where the data is available since 2001, and we are going to look at it and how the trend looks like. We are going to discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now just have a look at this trend. Okay, so here you have. So let me just redraw this trend. Okay, so here you have your trend. Probably this is it for the time being. Now, as I've already told you, you have your calculated movement. So on the downside you have 0.66, and on the upside you have your target or resistance at $8.5. So one should be or remain inside this trend, okay, because this trend is as long as 16 years. It has already spent inside a range, and with this kind of trend, because lots of things has happened, so if the stock is unable to move in this past 16 years, there is a very low chance that what will move this trend. Okay, now you can see, as you can see, there are some big swings which has happened. So from the lows of zero point 0.6, it has already went up to 6.8 and 900%, 998%, and again falls down to $2. So these kind of moves are very sharp, and that's why I've told you that if you placed your bet without understand the positions, then it would be a very deep loss for anybody, whether he or she holds for short or for long period of time. Okay, now understand the trend inside this range. First of all, you have your first support at $2, 2.01. Then you have your next support at 1.3. Then you have your support at $1, and finally 0.66. On the upside you have $3. Then you have 4.5, $4.6. Then you have 6.8 and $8.5 on the upside. So as you can see, the difference between each and every level is high looking at the absolute numbers. So the difference between each and every support and resistance consists of $1. Okay, so one should understand the gravity of that, and if you are losing $1 on the downside whenever you are taking your trade, so obviously it would be a big loss. Okay, so to understand the situation, you should know your support and resistance level and where you are inside the trend. So for the time being, as it is looking up and it went up to 6.8 and falls back, so if the support of $2 hold, it will probably again cross back on the upside and probably moves toward the higher end of the range, which is $8.2 or 8.5 at the max. but one should not look beyond that, because this is the big resistance. And if it hits the resistance, obviously the way one should think is just take your profit and move out. In case the only exclusion or excluding part or exclusive part is if the stock makes a breakout and sustain above 8.5 or $9, then there is a possibility that it can move to $30 on the upside. Obviously it can happen with the kind of moves we have. If the stock can move 1000% in a single session, obviously, uh, or in a single month also, it can obviously move to $30. That's not a big deal. But these are all trading bets, these are all trading movements. And the most important part is we don't know how sustainable these moves are. So if the sustainability factor is not there, obviously what will happen is, if you unable to buy or sell in a proper or in a particular amount of time, then obviously you will be in a loss. So that's the risk which you have. So understand your support and resistance level, and always place your stop losses if possible on daily basis. That's the way you should look at this stock, because once things turn around, it will turn around big time, whether on the upside or on the downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.